Mindset, mindset, mindset. If you want your life to change, if you want your income to change, if you want your future to change, it all starts right here. Right here, in your mind. People think success starts with money, connections, or luck. No, it starts with a decision that you refuse to stay where you are. Mindset is waking up and saying, I deserve more, I can do more, I will do more, even when your circumstances say otherwise. Mindset is choosing growth over excuses. It's showing up when you even don't feel like it. It's believing in yourself long before the results show up. Because here's the truth, your mind will either build you or break you. Your mind will either build you or break you. It will either limit you or launch you. And the difference between the people who win and the people who quit, mindset. So today, shift it, train it, protect it, feed it with positivity, with action, with belief. Your mindset is your superpower. And once you master it, everything in your life begins to move. Mindset, mindset, mindset. That's where transformation starts. I'll give you details. And you can build this side hustle of you with a positive mindset. And you will see how your life will change. Say a yes, put a yes in my comments.